All right, hello, my name is Justin Walters. I'm a project manager here at Total Roofing and Construction, and I've been with Team Total for just over a year now. So what does a day in the life of my job look like? So it's kind of different every day. That's something I do love about working with Team Total. Some days I'm running appointments all day, meeting homeowners, doing roof inspections. Other days I may be more in the office, working on estimates, reading through specs, trying to expand my knowledge a little bit on the trades here. And then other days I may be managing a project, helping run material, supervising the safety of the crew, making sure that they've got everything they need to get our projects done successfully. So what's my favorite part about working at Total Roofing? Probably just the family environment that it is. I know I can rely on all my coworkers if I ever need them. They're friends, not just coworkers, is kind of how I feel about them. It's really great to show up to a place where you're excited to see those who work with you, and those who work with you are willing to actually help you through your issues. So that's just something really unique that I found to really love about working at Total Roofing and Construction. Something that excites me about the future at TRC would probably be just the opportunity to grow here. I think that the fact that there's opportunities to get into bigger projects that are going to challenge me further, really exciting prospect for the future. So do I have any work achievements that I'm proud of? I'm standing in front of one of them right now. Currently standing in front of Abundant Grace Church here in Homewood. This is definitely the largest job that I've managed as a project manager myself. It's been really great working with the staff here at the church. My crew's absolutely killing it and everything's been going smooth. So absolutely blessed, and definitely feels like a big achievement for me. So what do I love to do outside of work? I've got a lot of hobbies. I really like to hunt and fish and just get outside. Super invested in just nature and learning more about it, doing everything I can to put myself out there. I'm also married with the baby on the way, so I do spend a lot of time with my wife, and I'm looking forward to spending a lot of time with my baby girl who's due here in the end of July. So what is something unique about me that everybody might not know? I've had a pretty interesting life so far. I did go to the Marine Corps after I got out of high school, and then I did complete my master's degree in biology once I got out of there, graduating in 2020 before I started here at Total. That's something interesting about me. Closing thoughts, I do love being a part of the Team Total here, and I do put a lot of emphasis on the team. Something that is a must in my place of work is working with good guys who have my back. Whatever you find yourself in life, if you're on that team, just make sure you're a good, productive team member and you support your guys.